In this video, you'll learn how to change your Google Cloud plan in a simple step-by-step way. We'll walk through where to click, what to look out for, and how to confirm that your changes actually went through. By the end, you'll be comfortable adjusting your plan whenever your project or budget needs change. Let's start from the very beginning inside your Google Cloud console. Make sure you're signed in with the account that owns the project or billing you want to modify. If you work with multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right one first to avoid changing the wrong setup. Once you're in the console, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation panel. This is the vertical menu that gives you access to things like compute engine, storage, APIs, and so on. In that list, you're looking for the option labeled Billing. If your browser window is narrow or the menu is collapsed, you might see only icons at first, so you may need to hover over or expand the menu to see the word Billing. Click on Billing. This takes you into the Billing section, where you can see information about your accounts, your payment methods, and your current usage. Here, Google Cloud may show you one billing account or several, depending on how your organization is set up. Now, I'll show you the easiest way to choose the correct billing account. On the billing page, you should see a list or a drop-down of your available billing accounts. Each billing account might have a name and an ID, and it may indicate whether it's active or closed. Take a moment to identify which billing account is actually linked to the project whose plan you want to change. If you're unsure, look for hints like the account name your team uses or cross-check with the project's billing settings in another tab. Once you're confident you've found the right one, click that billing account to open its details. This will bring you to a page showing things like your current plan, payment details, and possibly recommended upgrades or options. Today I'll show you how to modify your plan or upgrade from here. Inside the selected billing account, look for a section related to your current plan. The wording may vary slightly, but you should see an option that suggests changing, editing, or upgrading your plan. Click on that. On the next screen, you'll see the available plans or upgrade options. Take a moment to read through what each plan offers. Pay attention to things like limits, included services, and any pricing changes. If you're moving to a higher tier plan, consider how it aligns with your current and expected usage, so you're not overpaying, but still have enough capacity for your workloads. After you've decided which plan is right for you, select it. Some changes might take effect immediately, while others might apply from the next billing cycle. When you select the new plan, the system will usually show you a summary page. I'm going to walk you through how to confirm your changes. On the confirmation screen, carefully review the details. Make sure the correct billing account is listed, the new plan name is exactly what you chose, and any pricing or terms look right to you. When everything checks out, go ahead and confirm or save your changes. Once confirmed, give the system a moment to update. You can refresh the billing page and verify that your new plan is now shown as active. If you manage multiple projects, you may also want to quickly confirm that the right projects are still linked to this billing account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Cloud plan by opening billing in the navigation panel, selecting the right billing account, modifying or upgrading the plan, and confirming your changes.